Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to add a link to Instagram post. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. Make sure that you're here at your homepage. So all you have to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Then we're going to make sure that it's on the posts. If I'm going to edit my post, and we're going to make sure that that post is in picture. From then, I am going to tap on there, I am going to copy the link here at the caption and add hashtags. We are going to paste the link that we have just used. We are group copy the link and tap on OK. Now I'm going to tap on share. But in order for that link to be clickable, although we have to do this, head on over to our profile, and then we are going to tap on edit profile. And then we're going to tap on add link, but tap on add external link. Then here we are going to face that links. We're going to tap on more info about McLaren, and you're going to tap on OK. From there, that's how you'll be able to add a link to your Instagram. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.